To achieve a spiky textured hybrid set, you need to use different curls and different lengths. For the classic lashes, I'm using D curl 11mm, and for the volume fans, I'm using C curl 9mm. You want the classic lashes to be at least 1 curl up and 2 lengths up.
Classic lashes create the spiky effect. First, start by placing the classic lashes. This helps make sure the spikes are evenly spread out within the set.
Then, fill in the gaps with the volume fans. Since the volume fans are less curly and shorter, you can still distinctly see the spiky effect from the classic lashes.
Keep doing it until you fill the entire eye.
And the final result is a textured hybrid set. The spikes should be obvious but not too overpowering. You can play around with different thicknesses, lengths, and curls to achieve different styles. The beauty about creating lash sets is that there's not only one way to do it.